What is the perfect drink for a hot, sunny day on the beach on an island by a salty sea? I don't think it's red wine, but I wager it's definitely wine. Are you ready to learn by tasting? Every wine has a secret. Let's unravel the story that this wine is telling. And the first thing we'll do is to take a look at it. This wine is a medium straw color. This suggests some level of oxygen exposure, whether it's winemaking, bottle age, or the grape variety that oxidizes easily. A quick swirl tells me we've got moderate levels of alcohol here. On the nose, I'm getting grapefruit, some tropical fruits like mango, a hint of salinity, and these subtle notes of white flowers and almond. Wow. High, bright acidity, notes of green apple and grapefruit with a definite saline kick of preserved lemon. Do you know the grape variety? Is it Chardonnay, Grillo, Viognier, or Vermentino? Master of Wine Christine Marsilio, give us the answer.
The wine's bright acidity knocks out Viognier. The minerality and the notes of citrus are consistent with Grillo, Chardonnay, and Vermentino. But the salinity and the almond note point us to a native grape of Sicily, Grillo. Grillo was once used pretty much exclusively in Marsala production, but now we're seeing some lovely dry white wines too. So how does a hot Mediterranean island produce such a refreshing white wine? The unique combination of sea breezes, high elevations, and limestone and clay soils ensure white grape varieties keep their acidity and fresh flavors. Sicily might have an active volcano on it, but the majority of the soils here have limestone and clay. This is perfect for absorbing water, which keeps vines cool and hydrated throughout the long, hot, and dry summers. Finally, Grillo oxidizes more quickly, which is why we'll often find it with a richer straw or even golden color. Now that we know about Sicily and Grillo, let's check out more from Madeline.
The wine in question? This is Centopassi, Terre Siciliane, IGT, Rocce di Pietra, Longa. The grapes, grown at an altitude of 1,800 feet, are hand harvested in August, which means they are definitely very fresh with high acidity. It's worth noting that in Sicily, you're going to find a lot of organic grapes here, and this wine is no exception. For pairings, I'm imagining a Sicilian pasta dressed with lemons and prawns and fresh seafood grilled to perfection. The wine's acidity and flavors would be beautiful with this dish. If you liked this segment and are curious about wine, definitely let Christine and I know and leave us a comment. This wine is part of Wine Folly Club, and if you join as a member, you're welcome to join us and taste along. Until next time, happy tasting, salut!